Step 1. Grab your smartphone and turn it on. Step 2. Click on play and watch some videos. Step 3 is the best one, which is cashing out your earnings. As simple as that. There are long pages of actual proof that people just like you are making money on this website. Guess what? All they do is simply watch videos just like these using their smartphone. Look at your potential earnings. Hundreds of dollars are sent directly to your bank account every day. Well, don't worry. This is super easy for new beginners who have never made any money. You basically don't need any rocket science or coding skills. That's not all. This strategy is 100% free, so you don't need to make any prior investment. This method of making money online is available in all countries in the world. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know where you come from. I always like to make videos that can help the majority of my audience. You know, some strategies work in some countries and not in others. But just in case you are wondering, this method works everywhere and all countries are accepted. This is probably one of the reasons that encouraged me to make a video about it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know where you come from. But before we continue, welcome to TechZoom, where we teach you the simplest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Now I want you to go to GPTPlanet.com. This website will allow you to earn money by completing simple tasks online, including watching videos, which is probably the easiest one to do. You can register for absolutely free. I will show you the whole thing in this video. If you scroll a bit down, you will see some details about the different methods of making money on this website. You can also see how many people are registered here, and the total amount of money that the platform has paid its members since its first day. This is a huge amount, and you also can claim your piece of the cake. Keep watching to find out about all you need today to start making money on this website. What I like the most about GPTPlanet is its transparency. We can see all the recent payment proofs. Some people are making up to $50 a day. The list is super long, but if you need some motivation, you can go through it and explore the earning potential. Now take a look at this. When you enter the website's homepage, click on this orange button right here to register for a free account. You will be taken to this page where you should provide your account details. Make sure to remember every single piece of information you include here. It is recommended to use your personal email to avoid any account access issues later. And also remember your username, as you might need it in case you forget your password. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that the website asks you to provide the payment details. You don't have to add these details at this stage. You can do it later once the account is opened. But you can see that there are different payment methods available. If you want my opinion, I recommend you choose a crypto option. NetTeller and Skrill are extremely expensive. I think it's also the reason why PayPal is not supported. Anyways, once you're done, don't forget to accept the terms of service and hit on submit. The platform will send you a verification link to your email. You just need to activate your account. I think we all know the process. If you guys are enjoying this content, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you connect to your account, you can see some examples of companies that will pay you for your activity here. These are all the companies that offer you the opportunity to make money while watching videos. The list changes every single day. You can see that some of them have been in the market since 2008. That's 14 years. Time flies so fast. Let me share with you a bonus tip. You can focus on Scarlet Clicks. I noticed that it's the company that usually pays the most. One of the things I like about the website is the way it displays ads for people to watch and make money. They put them in one single grid, so you don't have to keep scrolling down and jump from one page to another to see the different options available. You can get here by clicking on Earn More, then selecting the first option on the drop-down menu. Each one of these little boxes represents an advertisement unit. You just need to click one of them. You will be then taken to the page where the ads are displayed. No need to do anything at this stage. The ads will automatically open on a new tab. Just wait for 2 seconds and close the page when you see the following message at the top of the page. It tells you that the click has been validated. Remember these boxes? Some of them include bonus points, so if you get on them, you might get extra profit on top of the amount you usually make after watching a video. Many of these boxes include ads in form of videos. They are the ones that pay the most. If you are on your laptop, you can click on many boxes at once, then view the tabs one by one. That would save you a lot of your time. On the right side of the page, you can see some of the users who managed to earn some bonus points. It's not that difficult to get. I mean, we know it's in one of these boxes. And even if we don't get it one day, it's not the end of the world, as we have already made enough money by watching different videos. Once you get to this page, try to open as many boxes as possible. The majority of them include YouTube videos. I recommend you hit on the mute button. Some videos might be a bit loud. If you are using Chrome, you can open YouTube and mute the website by selecting the option after right-clicking the tab. Any YouTube tab you open next will be mute by default. This is something I learned by searching on a forum dedicated to this website. Once you complete clicking on all of these boxes, you can simply refresh the page. You will get another set of ads that you can watch to make money online. If you want some change, you can again click on Earn More and try the other ways of earning cash on this platform. What if I tell you that there is a way to double up your earnings by inviting others to this website? Yes, every time someone registers using your personalized referral link, GPTPlanet pays you a share of what he or she makes. Of course, their earnings won't decrease or change. Once I finished watching all the videos, I could refresh the page and get another shot. As you can see, here is another set of videos you can watch to make more money. I can click on all these tiny little boxes right here and watch all the videos and get paid over and over again. When you scroll down below, you can see that clicks are reset daily at midnight server time. Every day after midnight, they reset all the boxes, and then they'll have new and fresh videos that you can watch again. And that means you have unlimited opportunities to make money over and over again. Now, let's calculate how much you can earn by simply clicking on these boxes and then watching videos. As you can see here, the total number of boxes in one picture is pretty high. 20 times 28 is equal to 560 new boxes every time you refresh the page. On average, some of the videos pay 10 cents, others pay slightly higher. So if you watch all of them, you might make up to $28. The total amount you could make on this website depends on advertisers, who are the people who advertise their website on this platform. I just want to add something. This is definitely not a method that will make you millions or get you to quit your job and do it full-time. It's just good for your starting instead of scrolling Instagram or Facebook feed. Why don't we make some money instead? Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you are looking for more advanced methods of making money online, I invite you to check the other videos on this channel. I'd always want to keep the channel balanced by sharing both simple and beginner-friendly strategies, and of course making a video on more advanced strategies from time to time. I am thinking to start a new series on how to make money on Amazon. Is it something you would like to watch? Let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching our video today. As usual, don't forget the subscribe button if it's your first time watching our videos. See you soon!